Traveling can be stressful, but what if there were gadgets that made every trip smoother, easier, and way more fun? In this video, we're counting down 20 innovative travel gadgets on Amazon that are total game changers for any traveler. 20. From compact organizers to smart tech, these clever tools will save time, reduce hassle, and make your adventures stress-free. Stick around, you won't want to miss number 1. Number 1. Jisulife Handheld Mini Fan. Traveling in hot climates can be exhausting, but the Jisulife Handheld Mini Fan keeps you cool anywhere. Compact and rechargeable, it fits in your hand, purse, or backpack. Perfect for airports, trains, or summer hikes. 3 adjustable speeds and a quiet motor provide personalized comfort without disturbing others, while the battery lasts up to 19 hours on low. Multifunctional, it also doubles as a power bank for emergencies. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, it's ideal for solo adventurers, families, or city explorers. This small gadget makes a surprisingly big difference in travel comfort and convenience. Number 2. INIU Portable Power Bank, 10,000 mAh. The INIU Portable Power Bank ensures your devices stay powered during travel. With 10,000 mAh capacity, it can fully charge a smartphone 2 to 3 times, while fast charging technology saves time on layovers or long trips. Dual output ports allow simultaneous charging of 2 devices, perfect for multiple gadgets. Ultra slim and compact, it fits easily in a pocket, purse, or backpack. Durable and stylish, it withstands travel bumps, and built-in safety features protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Essential for travelers, campers, or digital nomads, it keeps your devices ready and your journey stress-free. Number 3. FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch. No traveler likes tangled cords, and the FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch solves that neatly. With multiple compartments, it holds charging cables, earbuds, adapters, and small power banks in one compact, lightweight package. Durable material protects electronics from bumps and scratches, while elastic bands and mesh pockets keep everything organized. Perfect for planes, trains, or road trips. It also works for daily commutes or office use. This versatile pouch saves time and frustration by keeping gadgets accessible and tidy. With the FYY organizer, your travel tech stays secure, efficient, and stress-free, simplifying your journey. Number 4. Basic concepts. Airplane footrest. Long flights or bus rides can be tiring, but the basic concepts. Airplane footrest elevates your comfort. Adjustable straps secure it to most seat trays or backs, allowing you to find the perfect height to reduce leg fatigue and improve circulation. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in carry-ons or backpacks. Soft yet durable, it provides support without taking up space. Ideal for frequent flyers, families, or business travelers, this simple accessory transforms economy seating into a more ergonomic experience, making long-haul journeys more relaxing and less exhausting. Number 5. Funbro Small Pocket Knife. The Funbro Small Pocket Knife is a must-have multi-purpose travel tool. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into a pocket or backpack. The stainless steel blade handles everyday tasks, like opening packages, cutting rope, or slicing fruit, while a secure locking mechanism keeps it safe during use. It also includes handy extras like a bottle opener and screwdriver, making it a mini survival kit in one. Perfect for campers, hikers, or urban explorers, the Funbro knife ensures convenience and preparedness on the go. Small but versatile, it's an essential companion for any adventure. Number 6. iOttie Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder. The iOttie Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder keeps your device secure and hands-free during flights. Its strong magnetic grip holds smartphones steadily, perfect for watching movies, video calls, or checking maps. Adjustable to fit most tray tables and headrests, it allows you to find the ideal viewing angle. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in a carry-on. Tool-free installation makes it quick and hassle-free. Sleek and modern, this gadget adds convenience and style to your travel setup. Whether for entertainment or work, it keeps your phone accessible, stable, and ready throughout your journey. Number 7. Riemot Luggage Cup Holder. The Riemot Luggage Cup Holder is ideal for travelers who want drinks within reach. Attaching easily to most rolling suitcase handles, it holds cups, bottles, or travel mugs securely, freeing your hands for luggage or other essentials. Lightweight yet durable, it handles hot and cold beverages without tipping. Perfect for airport coffee runs, commuting families, or busy travelers, it ensures hydration is easy and convenient. This simple, practical accessory transforms your travel experience, allowing you to enjoy drinks on the go without juggling bags, cups, or bottles. Number 8. Quatish portable travel utensils. Quatish portable travel utensils make meals on the go convenient and eco-friendly. This compact set includes a fork, spoon, knife, and chopsticks, all stored in a sturdy travel case that fits neatly into bags or backpacks. Perfect for camping, street food adventures, or avoiding disposable plastic utensils, it's lightweight yet durable. The case keeps everything clean and organized for hassle-free dining anywhere. Ideal for travelers, students, or outdoor enthusiasts, Quatish ensures you can enjoy meals sustainably while exploring new places, combining practicality, portability, and environmental consciousness in one essential travel accessory. Number 9. Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner keeps your vehicle spotless while on the road. Compact but powerful, it reaches tight spaces between seats, cup holders, and carpets. Its corded design ensures consistent suction for crumbs, sand, and debris, making it perfect for road trips or long drives. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store in the car or pack for travel. Multiple attachments allow for versatile cleaning, and maintenance is simple. Number 10. JefDiee Inflatable Travel Pillow. The JefDiee Inflatable Travel Pillow provides ergonomic support for your neck and head during long flights, train rides, or road trips. Inflating quickly, it offers adjustable firmness for restful sleep or relaxation. Its compact design allows easy deflation and storage in a carry-on, taking up minimal space. Made from soft, durable materials, it ensures comfort without irritation. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for frequent travelers, commuters, or occasional vacationers. Number 11. Facemoon Weighted Eye Mask. The Facemoon Weighted Eye Mask is a game changer for travelers seeking restful sleep on planes, trains, or buses. Its gentle, evenly distributed weight soothes pressure points around the eyes, helping reduce stress and tension. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it blocks out light completely while staying comfortable during long naps. Perfect for frequent flyers or anyone struggling to sleep on the go, this mask promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality. Number 12. Sauberkugel Clean Ball for bags. Keep your luggage organized and fresh with the Sauberkugel Clean Ball. This compact ball removes odors, moisture, and bacteria from bags, suitcases, or gym totes, ensuring your belongings stay clean during travel. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to pack in any bag. Reusable and eco-friendly, the ball protects clothing, electronics, and accessories from unwanted smells or dampness. Number 13. Gukaut Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-Pack. The Gukaut Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-Pack keeps hands warm and cozy during cold weather travel. Compact, lightweight, and portable, these devices fit easily in pockets, gloves, or backpacks. With adjustable heat levels and long-lasting rechargeable batteries, they provide hours of comfort for outdoor activities, winter flights, or chilly train rides. The sleek design doubles as a portable power bank for emergencies, making it multifunctional. Ideal for winter travelers, hikers, and commuters, the Gukaut hand warmers provide practical warmth, convenience, and safety. Number 14. Avontree Airplane Bluetooth Adapter. The Avontree Airplane Bluetooth Adapter brings wireless convenience to in-flight entertainment. It connects any Bluetooth headphones to seatback audio systems on most airlines, eliminating tangled cords and enhancing comfort. Compact and portable, it easily fits in carry-ons or pockets, while long battery life ensures hours of uninterrupted entertainment. Low latency technology keeps audio in sync with movies and shows. Easy to use and travel-ready, this adapter is perfect for frequent flyers, digital nomads, or anyone seeking hassle-free audio. Number 15. Lumesner Carry-On Travel Backpack 40 liters. The Lumesner Carry-On Travel Backpack offers spacious, organized storage for long trips or weekend getaways. With multiple compartments, padded laptop sleeves, and water-resistant materials, it protects electronics, documents, and personal items while keeping them accessible. Comfortable shoulder straps and a breathable back panel reduce fatigue during long walks or airport navigation. Sleek and stylish, it fits overhead compartments or under seats, making it flight-friendly. Number 16. Macally Adjustable Car Cup Tray. The Macally Adjustable Car Cup Tray adds convenience to road trips or daily commutes. Designed to fit most vehicle seats and consoles, it securely holds cups, snacks, or small gadgets, freeing hands for driving. Adjustable features accommodate different cup sizes and positions for optimal stability. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it withstands spills in daily use. Lightweight and portable, it can be removed and stored when not needed. Number 17. Bagail Compression Packing Cubes Set. The Bagail Compression Packing Cubes set simplifies luggage organization for travelers. With multiple sizes, these cubes separate clothing, accessories, and toiletries while compressing bulk to maximize suitcase space. Mesh panels allow visibility and ventilation, keeping items fresh and easy to find. Durable and lightweight, they fit neatly in backpacks, carry-ons, or large suitcases. Ideal for vacations, business trips, or family travel, the cubes save time, reduce wrinkles, and maintain a tidy packing system. Number 18. Carson Micro Mini Pocket Microscope. The Carson Micro Mini Pocket Microscope lets travelers explore the world in detail wherever they go. Compact and lightweight, it fits in pockets or backpacks for on-the-go observation of plants, insects, or fabric textures. With high magnification lenses and built-in LED illumination, it provides clear, sharp images for educational, hobbyist, or scientific use. Durable and travel-friendly, it's perfect for students, outdoor enthusiasts, or curious explorers. Number 19. Multi-charging cable 3-in-1 2-pack. The multi-charging cable 3-in-1 2-pack keeps all your devices powered during travel. Each cable supports multiple connectors, including USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, allowing you to charge smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets simultaneously. Durable, tangle-resistant materials ensure longevity, while compact size fits easily in a bag or carry-on. Perfect for frequent travelers, students, or remote workers, these cables reduce clutter and eliminate the need to carry multiple chargers. Number 20. JefDiee Mini Handheld Massage Gun. The JefDiee Mini Handheld Massage Gun helps travelers relieve muscle tension and fatigue on the go. Lightweight and compact, it fits in backpacks or carry-ons, perfect for use in hotel rooms, airports, or after long walks. Multiple intensity levels and interchangeable heads target different muscle groups, providing deep tissue relief and relaxation. Rechargeable and quiet, it's convenient for discreet use anywhere. Ideal for frequent flyers, hikers, or anyone with sore muscles, this portable massage gun combines comfort and wellness. These 20 innovative travel gadgets from Amazon are designed to make every trip easier, more comfortable, and stress-free. Upgrade your travel gear today and enjoy smoother flights, organized packing, and smarter adventures wherever you go.